Hello, my name is Bryce, and welcome to Bryce Bakes. On this episode, I'm going to be showing you how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Now over to the left here, we have all of our utensils. We have a big spoon, a smaller spoon, but actually, we're not going to be needing any of this stuff, so we're just going to use our hands. Now, first thing you're going to need is some bread. Let me go ahead and get that out. Don't need a heel. So you're gonna need 2 slices of bread. Any bread will do. Then you're gonna need some peanut butter. For this demonstration, I'm not gonna be using utensils. Second thing we're gonna need is some jelly. Now, I'm not gonna make just any regular peanut butter and jelly sandwich, because that'd be really boring. So, I'm just gonna add just a little bit of smidge of ketchup. I want to get it nice and smoothed out here. Second thing we're gonna need, some flour. Because you can't do anything without some flour. Throw that on there. And of course, you need to get some BBs. The lead kind, of course. And once you're done with those, you should get yourself some mustard. Let's put some mustard on this page. Oh, I love that sound, yeah. Alright, now, to finally top it off, we're just gonna put on some yogurt. Don't bother taking it out of the package. It doesn't even really matter. And there you have it. A peanut butter and jelly sandwich.